Welcome, today I'm showing you how to customize your quick launch into a Poco X4 GT. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and go into additional settings. Here choose Gangster Shortcuts option, and here we got this block, it's a quick launch option. So first option is launch Google Assistant, press and hold the power key, this position like gray it's turn on this option, and this like start using, this position like blue it's activate this option. So click back, now go into turn on torch, for example, double press the power button, so activate this option too, and now go into maybe in launch camera. Okay, and here we got the same option, turn on torch and launch camera. So if we activate this option here, we got a message, double press the power keys used or turn on touch, replace or not. If we tap replace, we activate this option launch camera. If we tap cancel, we activate turn on touch. So tap cancel and activate, for example, this option, and click back for saving. And here we can customize our quick launch. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.